Tomorrow, the sentencing trial for the former Minneapolis police officer who killed George Floyd will begin. Derek Chauvin was found guilty of second-degree unintentional murder, third-degree murder, and second-degree manslaughter.
Those charges hold a maximum sentence of 40 years behind bars. News 8's Whitney Burney spoke to a Cooley Law School professor about what we can expect in the coming days. Whitney?
Brian and Sue, the minimum sentence in Chauvin's case would be 12.5 years, but law experts estimate he will walk away with at least 20 to 30 years in what's sure to be a swift deliberation. After more than a year calling for justice for George Floyd, an answer is expected to come tomorrow. Derek Chauvin, the former Minneapolis police officer who killed Floyd, is set to be sentenced. Chauvin was convicted on 3 charges in April, including second-degree murder, third-degree murder, and manslaughter. He now faces 12 to 40 years behind bars.
I think people in America are going to be divided between 2 camps. One is going to be anything less than the maximum sentence allowable by law, which is 40 years, is not enough. Then there are going to be those that say that Chauvin has lived an exemplary life in the context that he has never violated the law before.
Cooley Law professor Jeffrey Schwartz says the likelihood that Chauvin gets the minimum sentence is slim because of what's referred to as aggravating circumstances. The 4 circumstances in Chauvin's case means the judge can add more years than normal onto his sentence.
One, he committed the crime in front of a child, that he acted with particular cruelty, that he acted as part of a group, that is, that there were other officers involved, and that he abused his position as a police officer.
Schwartz says there is one unknown, whether Chauvin will take the stand in an effort to minimize the time that he spends locked up.
Chauvin can take the stand and open his mouth for the first time during all of this. The problem will be is he is subject to cross-examination by the prosecution, and the judge himself can ask him questions about what occurred.
Does that seem like a risk worth taking in your professional opinion?
In my professional opinion, I think for Chauvin it is, because at his age, he's looking probably at 25 years. I would say just meeting the 20 to 30 range at 25 years. If he gets that 25 years, he's going to be close to 70 by the time he gets out of prison.
Now, again, the sentencing hearing is set to begin tomorrow afternoon at 1:30 Central Time. Prosecutors are asking for at least 30 years, while the defense is asking for probation and a new trial. Live here in studio, Whitney Burney, News 8.